All right, I'm back with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we have discussed several situations in which a wrongful death has happened, and we're going to discuss a little bit when it comes to driving accidents and drunk driving accidents. And a question I have for you, David, is, as an individual who is a survivor of a drunk driving accident, can I recover punitive damages from a wrongful death if my wife or daughter or whatever situation, if she happens to pass away from a drunk driving accident, can I file a lawsuit and receive or recover punitive damages?
Well, that's an interesting question. And the law here in California is that if you are involved in a wrongful death or in an accident where a drunk driver causes injury to you, the issue is, did you survive the accident even briefly, or did you die on impact? If it can be established and proven that the person survived the accident even briefly, then you can pursue punitive damages, for example, in this case, against a drunk driver. But if you're unable to prove that this accident killed you, if you're unable to prove that you survived, then no. But if the defense is able to prove that on impact you passed away, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to recover for punitive damages.
So basically, if you have to, do you know the time frame that you have to be alive after the specific accident, or is that just up to the jury?
No, it's case by case, and there's some cases on point that discuss it. It's just basically a person gasping for air, even if it's like 2 or 3 seconds. You see them there's a witness who can say, after the accident, I walked up to the person's vehicle to see what's going on. You can see them trying to gasp for air, and then boom, they passed away. That's enough. Like I said, it's briefly, just moments, that is sufficient amount. It is, and it's one of those case by case. You have to go, and the defense will present their side and say why it wasn't, and so forth. And a lot of times it just is based on the jury, whether the jury says yes, it was instant death, or it was brief enough to where yes, we believe that punitive damages should be awarded.
Absolutely, and as David said, it's a case-by-case basis every time. It's a little bit different. So please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi at the phone number within this YouTube video or below in the information. And thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.